Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing fine. In our previous sections, we have learned about Google Docs, how to create our project, how to insert, how to do formatting, and also many more things like editing and undo, redo. All these things we have learned so far now. In today's video, we are going to learn that we have created our project, but your friend is also working on the same project and he needs to edit it, but he lives so far away from your home or house. Then how he's gonna edit the project? Or tomorrow is your deadline of submission and you have to submit it urgently to your teacher through the mail or to your boss. Then how can you simply by just few clicks can submit your work to your boss or to your teacher? So today's video is all about that, how to share, how to save the work you have created, and in case you want to delete it, then how we can do it. So let's start. So here you can see we have created something. This is a trash, I know, but this is the work where I taught you how to insert and all that things. So let's assume on this project, like the my art project of my favorite singer, my best friend also is working. Let her name be Arushi or Simran. But now I want to share her with this. So here you can see on the right corner share option, right? So when I click on this share option, it's loading. Okay, you can see there was a log. Now first thing you should know that here you will, if you click on this copy link, the link of your project will get copied and you can share it with anyone. Like if I want to share it on some sheet, I just need to click Control V, and that's the link of my doc. So that's the simplest step by which you can share your doc. But now as you can see here, it's written restricted. It means that the only people added can open with this link. So what does this mean? So add people. Let's see, Simran is my friend. So I have already her email ID, so I have mentioned it. Now I have another friend, her name is Arushi. So let's type Arushi's email ID. Arushi. Okay, so her email ID is also already saved in my account. That's where it appears, and I have clicked it. Now here you can see the options: editor, viewer, or commenter. Now let's assume Simran Jain is my teacher, and I want to submit my project to her, and I want her review in my project. So I will give her a commenter so that she can see my project, observe my project, and if she thinks that I need some improvement, she can mention it in my project and I can correct it. And then I'll click on this send option, and that's it. Your project is submitted to your teacher. This is very simple. Now again, if your friend is working with you, like my friend Arushi is working with me on this project, and she want to add something, so I'm going to give her the editor access so she can edit this project, and then again click on send, and that's it. But now your you are in office and you are just submitting this slide or submitting this doc to your colleagues just to show them that how you created it. Then let's assume Tanya is my colleague. I have entered her mail ID, but now I will select it as a viewer. So when I'll send her invitation, she will be only able to view my project. She won't be able to edit it or comment anything on it. Okay, so this is the some basic thing you should remember before sending it. Now okay, let's cancel this. Now this one, get link. So copy link option, I have already told you, you can copy your project here and then can paste the link wherever you want or send it. But now here is also you can get the option only people you have shared link with or anyone with the link. So let's click I want anyone with this link can see my project. But again we can give access to them, either commenter, viewer or editor. So uh, viewer is most safe way, so we can use that and then done. So that's how you can share your project with everyone. Now back to, now this project is saved in your drive but you want PDF copy or Word copy, then what to do? So here is the file menu. When you click on it, you can see here download option, right? And in the download option there are so many options: PDF document, Microsoft Word. Let's assume you want this document in the PDF form, then just click on the PDF. I think it got hanged. No. And here you can see my PDF is downloaded. So this is that simple. In the same way you can download it in the other form. Then here is the email. If you want to email this file to someone, again click on the email, write the mail ID of whatever person you wanna send. Like let's send this to me, Anjali TW 200 at the rate gmail.com. Okay, and here you can write whatever message you want. Da 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 da. Don't attach, checkbox is done, and then just you need to click on the send option for copy in the form of PDF, and here you can click and send the option. So that's how you can mail this. Then you can also publish your project to the web. When you click on the publish to the web, again where was that option? Again in the file menu, here was the publish to the web option. Okay, and you just need to publish and it will go on the web. Let's click on publish. I know it's rubbish. Again it asks, are you sure you want to publish this section? If you click OK, then it will get published, and it's publishing. That's how it got published. Okay, now the last thing, is anything remaining here? Let's check. We have completed all these things: email, download, version history. See version history, when you click on this option you can see the versions, like edited versions. Yesterday I have did this to that dog, now current version is this, and you can save the whatever version you want from that option. And last but not the least, the most important option is language. If you want to change the language of your dog, you can simply click on this language, Marathi. I have selected Marathi. Here you can see the mo has come. Okay, and then whatever you will write, it will come into a Marathi. Again, that's the super easy option. I hope you understood this. And now someone has sent you doc, but it's English or it's in Chinese or any other language, and it's very difficult to understand. Then when you click on this tool option, you will get translate document. And when you translate document, you have to choose in which language. Let's select any one simple language. Is there Hindi? Hindi. I am unable to see Hindi here. Italian, Hebrew, Hindi, and then translate. So the new doc will form, which will be the translated copy. See, Meri Pasandida, my favorite, and everything is translated into Hindi. So that's the simplest method to translate the whole document into your own language. And if you have any spelling and grammar mistake, this tool options help you with everything. Now I know this doc is not so good, but I want to delete it. Then again on file option, and then move to trash. And if you want to print it, then here is a print option. Just click it and print it. That's easy, but I want to move this to the trash, and I am clicking on it. Go to doc homes. Art projects will be deleted forever after 30 days. Then that's it. That's how we can use various tools, various files in this Google Doc. I hope my video